Hello dear students, today I am going to discuss feedback in amplifiers. So as we know, the characteristic of an amplifier are voltage gain, current gain, input impedance, output impedance and bandwidth. So first of all, what is the feedback? Feedback is the process of taking a part of some output to the feeding it back to the input. So as you seen in this figure number 1, here figure 1 is the block diagram of an amplifier in which Vi is the input signal and V0 is the output signal. Here the input is remains unaffected. Such a system is called open loop or non-feedback system, in which gain A is equal to V0 upon Vi. The second figure is for feedback network system. In figure 2 we can see that the output of the amplifier is fed back to the input through a network, which network is known as the beta network or feedback network. A fraction of V0 dash of output voltage is going back to the input, thus the input is modified by the output. Such a system is called a closed loop or feedback system. Types of feedback. So there are mainly two types of feedback. Number 1 is positive feedback and 2 is the negative feedback. In a negative feedback, if the feedback voltage Vf is in phase opposition to the input voltage Vi, in such case the net input voltage Vi dash becomes the difference of the external input voltage Vi and the feedback voltage Vf, as seen in equation 2. Here the net input is reduced, the output of the amplifier also decreases from V0 to V0 dash. This type of feedback is called negative, inverse or degenerative feedback. If the feedback voltage Vf is in phase to the input voltage Vi, in such case the net input voltage Vi dash become the sum of the external voltage external input voltage Vi and feedback voltage Vf. Vi dash is equal to Vi plus Vf. Here the net input is increased, the output of the amplifier becomes V0 to V0 dash. This type of feedback is called positive feedback, direct feedback or regenerative feedback. The feedback can also be classified as voltage feedback or current feedback. Both voltage and current can be fed back to the input either in series or parallel. There are 4 basic ways of connecting the feedback signal. Number 1 is the series voltage feedback, series current feedback, shunt voltage feedback, shunt current feedback. Series feedback tends to increase the input impedance of the amplifier, while shunt feedback tends to decrease the input impedance of the amplifier. Voltage feedback tends to decrease output impedance, while current feedback tends to increase output impedance. Voltage gain of the feedback amplifier. For negative feedback, voltage gain AF is given by AF is equal to A upon 1 minus A beta, while for positive feedback, voltage gain AF is equal to A upon 1 plus A beta. Advantages of negative feedback: it improves the stability of amplifier, it reduces distortion and noise, it increases input impedance, it decreases output impedance, it increases bandwidth. The main disadvantage, or we can say that drawback of negative feedback, is it reduces gain of the amplifier. Thank you.